Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where I'll explain how you can send an email to a Trello board. Let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the board where you want the email to be sent. In the top right corner of your board, click on the three dots next to the inbox. From the menu, then click on Email to Board Settings. Here, you'll see a unique Trello email address. This is the email you'll use to send cards directly to your board. Copy this address and save it in your contacts for quick access. Now, open your email app and create a new email. In the To field, paste that Trello email address. The subject line of your email will become the card title, while the body of the email will become the card description. You can also attach files or images, and they'll be added to the card automatically. By default, the card created from the email will appear in the first list of your board at the bottom, but you can move it anywhere you like once it's added. And that's it. You've now learned how to send emails directly to a Trello board. Thanks for watching.